everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to find your wallet address on Sweat Wallet. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First of all, launch Open Your Sweat Wallet application. Also, make sure that you are signed into your wallet. From the main homepage, tap on the transfer button on the top left corner and tap on request. Now, you will be able to see your wallet's name along with the wallet address in this page. You can share the wallet address to anyone in order to request for a fund. Also, you can tap on the copy button and copy the wallet address and share it with anyone from your phone's contacts or any other application. So that is how you will be able to find your Sweat wallet address within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again with the next video. Thank you for watching.